So when you walk in, this is the little closet, or I should say big closet. There's a safe as well in the closet in case you need one. You have a little coffee area, and then the mini fridge with all the good stuff in there. But this is so big. It has so much space. I love this right here. And look at the lights above. Like, so cute. And then you get your Catalonia robe and slippers. So that's cool. And then right across from the closet is a door. It's a sliding door. And you can just go directly in the washroom. And then we have double sinks. Lots of storage space. There's a scale down there, there's a garbage can. Just clean and sleek. You get all your toiletries, shampoo, bath gel, body wash, sewing kit, vanity kit, shower cap, soap, everything that you possibly need. Super cute. Yeah. And then these are the doors. The toilet right here. And then this door here is to the shower. Has a rainfall shower head. So cool. And it's really big. On the camera you can't see how big it is, but it's really big. Like you can fit about 6, 7, 8 people in there. And then this is what the door looks like from inside. And also, you have another sliding door that leads to the room. So you can have this closed, and then you're in the washroom, or you can have it open. And then you have a full length mirror, and there I am. So we're gonna go back out this door. And when you go back out, in turn, you have a little living room area. And then you have your desk area with the mirror right here. Like I said, just really clean and sleek, nothing too fancy, but still modern. And then this little backdrop behind the couch. And then there's the TV. So here's the sitting area. You'll be sitting back, and there's the TV. There's the room. And just keep going. You have another little sitting area here. Super cute. And then the best part of the room is your own swim-up pool. And it's big. It's not even a little pool. This is a big, for a swim-up, this is a big size room, pool. And then let's just go back. This is what it looks like. So now we'll go into the room. Another sliding door. So this is the door that they have. And then we have the 2 queen beds. So in the family suite, you can either have 2 queen beds or 1 king and 2 twins. So we got 2 queens. Very nice decor here. And then we have the TV mounted on the wall. And then this is another beautiful spot. So this is the patio from the room. You can go out to the patio. And it's just so beautiful out here. It feels beautiful. This is a big, nice patio. You can swim and just lounge here all day if you want. And you can see the other rooms. Palm trees. It's beautiful. And this is the view from the room. cute little pendant light. Super cute, your USB ports, phone, clock. So from the bedroom, this is the sliding door that leads to the washroom. So you can just go directly and do what you have to do. Again, the shower and the toilet, and then the sink.